There's Pat come over the hill, his Colleen fair to see, that whistling low but shrill, his signal sure to be. Oh, Mary, listen now, there is somebody whistling sure, oh, mother, it is the wind, you know, that's whistling through the door with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la. I've lived a long time, Mary, in this old house, me dear, but the wind to whistle like that, and I never yet a tear. But, mother, you know the fiddle hangs close beside the chink, and the wind upon the strings is playing a tune, I think, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la. The dog is barking now, the fiddle can't play the tune, but, mother, you know they say dogs bark when they see the moon. But how can he see the moon, girl, when he is old and blind? Blind dogs don't back at the moon, you know, nor fiddles don't play with the wind. With me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la. And now I hear a pig uneasy in his mind, but, mother, you know they say that pigs can see the wind. That's true enough by day, but then you may remark that pigs no more than we can see anything in the dark. With me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la. I'm not such a fool as you think, I know very well it is Pat. To go home, you whistling thief, and to get away out of that. And you go into bed, don't play upon me your jeers, for though I've lost me sight, I haven't lost me ears. With me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la. Now, lads, when courting go, and for your sweethearts wait, take care not to whistle too loud in case the old woman might wake. For the days when I was young, oh, forget it I never can, I came to know the difference between a fiddle, a dog, and a man. With me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, with me father de la la la, right father de la la la, the diddle, 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 diddle,